Hi, my name is Amrutha. I came from Yelur. I have completed my BSc Nursing graduation in 2016. Actually, from my graduation, I just wanted to settle in medical healthcare. So, take the medical coding thing. So, after I searched the internet, and there are lots of sources in medical coding institutes learning the medical coding. But I got this Codevo because here also I seen a lot of reviews, and the here faculty also very good. So that's why I contact this faculty, and I choose the medical coding training here only. When I seen this Codevo Academy in online, so I have some doubt here. People are I don't know everything. So but when I came to Hyderabad, so in offline online classes also I learnt many things from Beena ma'am, and she is giving me so much of knowledge about medical caring and related to medical coding, like a lot of things, and my expectations also crossed here. So I like very much in Codevo Academy for the learning medical coding. I suggest to the people who are like choosing the medical coding, so definitely you can come to Codevo Academy.